Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pump, Solana pump, so we made a lot of money. Big congratulations to all of you. Hit that subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. My goal is to teach you my 21 years of investing experience, starting off in Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and showing you what I do in the markets. Now I have almost 77,000 followers on here, 38,000 followers on Twitter. We have a Telegram with about 3,000 people in it that we started just a week ago, a bit more than a week ago. Join that Telegram, the link down below. Do all your trades on Bybit, the link down below. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technical. Actually, going into the technicals on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is having that breakout that I talked about, coming again to this resistance, and this time, third time is the charm, in my opinion. We got this big W formation occurring. Once we break through here, the target will be the base of the W, which, by the way, if you took that trade from my last video, you're massively in the profits. Big congratulations to all of you. This will be the target, 24,000. This was the trade that I showed in my last video. Look at that. It exactly came down, activated the trade, and headed up. Now you're massively in the profits. So big congratulations to anyone that saw that last video and took that trade. On the 4-hourly, RSI is heading up strongly. On the daily, RSI got much more to move. On the weekly, just getting started. So this is a big bull run that could be beginning here. Now, the point that we need to get above is that 22,839. That's the point to break through. We're sitting right under it. If we can break through it, we're already above the 200 weekly moving average, everyone. You can see here that this blue line, see this blue line? That's been the bottom of every single bear market going back to 2000, all the way back even to 2015, 16. You can see every time it touches that blue 200 weekly moving average, this was back in 2015, came underneath it, bounced off it, headed up. That was the start of the bull market. Here in 2019, touched it, bounced off it, touched it again, and then went up, start of the next bull market. You can see March 2020, COVID crash, touched it, bounced off it, broke out. That was the start of it, and now we're back above it. We broke back above it just now. So this is a huge indicator that this is the beginning of a big bull market. If we can get above it and hold here, I mean, we're sitting right on that line. You can see we're sitting right on it, just above it actually. Look at that. We're above that blue line. We had a big wick just happen actually on Bitcoin. It wicked up all the way to 22,800, touched that line and bounced off it, exactly my target line, which is interesting. But I think we're going to break through it now. Third time, RSI heading up, a lot of volume to back it up. The Bitcoin indicator bot on the daily, you get the crypto guru bot in the master course. It also flipped to a buy, which it very rarely does. April was the last time. Bitcoin indicator bot also calling a buy down there. So it's really, Bitcoin is ready to go. I would target, if you haven't opened that trade from the last video that I made 4 hours ago, I would be opening a long right now here actually. So that was the trade that we did 4 hours ago. Big congratulations. I've been bullish for the last few weeks. So you must, if you've been following my videos, you made a lot of gains. So big congratulations. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin right now. Everyone? If you haven't opened a trade yet, I would open the trade here at 22,573, stop loss 21,800, take profit 26,500, risking $686 to make $3,982. With 10x leverage, that'll be $39,000 profits, 100x leverage, $390,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin right now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description of the video, so down below, you can go down below, sign up to Bybit to trade. Make sure you use this link to sign up. You get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up, US dollars. And you can trade Bitcoin, altcoins. You can go long, short. You can buy spot of Bitcoin, altcoin, Solana, etc. Solana is also pumping. Make sure you use that link. And if you signed up with any other exchange, if you're using any other exchange, if you're using Bybit, but use the different sign up link, make sure you create a new account using this link down below. You get that bonus and you just move your funds over to that new account and trade underneath my trading account, underneath my group. Over on Bybit, in my account, I've got now $444,675. 444,000. It's up. I don't know how much. Earlier today was like 430,000. So we're up around $14,000 today on this account, which is beautiful. USDC, I've got 199,000 still to deploy. Bitcoin, I've got 5.7 Bitcoin. $128,000 worth. I bought some Bitcoin today. Solana is now up 51,000. I think I bought like 48,000 of it, so it's up $3,000 today. I got that much Solana. I'm going to see which altcoin. My Bitcoin trade is up almost $8,000. Look at that, 7,920, 7,878. It's pulling back a bit, 131% in the profits, 7,820. It's fluctuating around a lot. Look at that. This was a $5,900 trade, which is now $7,900 in the profits. So with $6,000 now, I've made almost $14,000 of profits. Sorry, $6,000. I've turned $6,000 into $14,000. It's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade, 2.7 Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And in this account, yeah, this account is fluctuating a lot as well. Over on Binance, I've got in here $498,972, almost $500,000, $3,000 up today, which is beautiful. I've got BUSD 228,000 still to deploy, Bitcoin 9 Bitcoin, Solana 61,000, which I bought earlier today. So that's the trades that I would set up on Bitcoin. This one here, opening this trade, if you haven't gone long on Bitcoin, we got a big rejection off this 28,000 just now, 22,800. But in my opinion, on the 4 hourly we can pull back, on the hourly we can pull back, but on the daily and the weekly, we're looking so strong here. On the RSI, squeeze mob is going towards the green as well. We're looking really good on these timeframes. Stochastic is overbought though on the daily. So just keep that in mind. The stochastic is starting to be overbought. If we get rejected here, it's very bad. We actually really need to break through this 22,800. Why? Because we've got this bear flag. You can see this pole, this flag. If we don't break through this 22,800 bounce and head up, 26,000 and 30,000 will be the major resistance. If we break down here, then we could actually be playing out in this bear flag and drop to 12K. So this is the point that needs to break through, and we're getting a big wick here. Look at this. It's kind of making a hammer candle, which is not a very bullish pattern. We've got 8 hours still to close this. Let's see if it can break through. It's actually kind of, if it stays a hammer like this, then it's still bullish. But if it makes a doji, that would be bad. So let's monitor Bitcoin, see how it does. Let's look at total market cap. We're above 1 trillion again. As I said a few days ago, if you followed my videos, I actually predicted the target, and we broke out of this big symmetric ascending triangle. This one here builds pressure, breaks out to the upside, bounces and heads up, and we got that bounce and we headed up. If that plays out, the target for the total crypto market caps will be actually 1.17 trillion. So we have another 170 billion to go in this pump, which will be epic. So it looks like we're already on that run. So altcoins do look like they're going to pump here. On the hourly, stochastic is overbought. On the 15 minutes, overbought. On the daily, overbought. On the weekly, not overbought. So on the daily, we could be getting a pullback here just to cool things off a little bit. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum pumped like crazy if you followed my videos. Big congratulations to all of you. Ethereum is down 3.9% today. It broke out of this downtrend, and it broke out of this ascending triangle. Stochastic heading up. On the daily, all the daily stochastics are overbought now. So that's something to be aware of. All the stochastics are overbought on the daily. So we could be getting a pullback here. But Ethereum, if you took those trades, it already hit that take profit. This one is still massively in the profits. If you took that Ethereum trade, let's see if we're seeing any patterns here. We broke out of this giant ascending triangle. So the target will be the base of this triangle, which is this one here. So that target should be taking us to around, it came close to it actually and got rejected, 1,680. Stochastic is heading down here. Let's see if there's any divergences on the RSI. RSI is no divergence is correct. There's no divergence. It's actually doing exactly what it should be doing. Let's look on the 4 hourly. No stain. But it does look like the RSI is overbought on the daily for Ethereum and for Bitcoin. But I think Bitcoin, there's going to be a lot of FOMO here. And I do think we're about to break through. So I would keep my long still going for Bitcoin. I think we're going to break through and make that big move to 26,000. Now, what altcoin would I buy here? I'd be buying Solana, which I bought a lot today. It's up 5%, which is beautiful. Coinbase, the stock, I've been buying a lot of that. That's up 7%. Meta, I bought a lot of that, 3%. The stock market is also pumping here. Altcoins that I like would be Solana. BNB is also nice. Let's see what's going to happen to BNB. BNB hit that target, that trade. Excellent. Congratulations anyone that took that trade a while ago. BNB is out of this ascending triangle. Well, BNB's got a big movement to do. It also broke out of this triangle. So the target would be the base of this triangle. Targeting BNB is going to make a move to $303. That's quite a big movement. From where we're sitting right now, that's That's a 15% move. With 10x leverage, I'll be 150% profits. So I would actually go long on BNB here. Let's look. RSI is still heading up on the 4-hourly. Weekly, just getting started. Daily, it's quite overbought. 4-hourly, it's turning up. Hourly, it's turning down. So we pull a bit of a pullback and then going long on BNB. So I'm going to actually set some trades to buy BNB here at 257. So over on Binance, I'm going to buy some BNB with this BUSD. So BUSD, I'm going to buy BNB with it. I'm going to buy, so I'm going to do a trade. Let's get some BNB. Whoops. Trade BNB, BUSD. So I'm going to buy around $50,000 worth. $50,000 worth. But on a limit order at the price of $50,000 worth at here, this support 257. 257, I'll be buying $50,000 worth of BNB at 257, which will be, oops, buy amount in BNB. No, I want to buy total 50,000 BUSD. So I'm going to be buying at 257, 194 BNB, $50,000 worth, confirm. Buying 194 BNB at $257, 49,000. Confirm. That trade is now set and that will execute when BNB pulls back. So in this account now, 6,500 up on the day, 502,000 US dollars in here. It just pumped like $4,000 while you've been watching this. This account now is 444,000. Now it's 446,000, so it went up $2,000 since I started making this video. My Bitcoin trade is up 8,700, up, I don't know how. Congratulations, everyone. Love you all. And this is not just me making these gains. Make sure you're trading. Join my trading team using that link down below. Bybit, $4,450 bonus. Join us in the live Telegram alerts group. In the Telegram alerts group, people are just smashing it with massive gains. Check, look at all the gains that people are having. This is just from today. People are sharing their gains. This student up 80% on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. 80%. Think about that. In a year, people best stocks get 7%. This student up 73% on Sol, 59% on Bitcoin. This student up 549% on Bitcoin, 417% on Sol. This is just in this chat. It's many people. This student up 417, 549%. This student up 134%, 118%. This is just from today and many students. So big congratulations to all. Congratulations. I think it's still going to pump Bitcoin. Let's see. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. Have an amazing night. Congratulations to you all. Let's make mega gains. I've been doing this for 2.5 years on these videos. 21 years of experience of doing this. I do it all from my phone. You can learn. The crypto master course is down below. It's like $333, and you can learn what I'm teaching if you want. Yeah. Have an amazing day. Congratulations to all of you gurus. Thank you all for watching. We're going on a journey. Remember, this is just the beginning. If you've been here for 2.5 years following these videos, you know already. If you're new, this is a lifestyle. I do this from my phone. I travel the world. We're going to be buying and selling stocks and cryptos, selling them at the peaks, buying them at the bottom, selling them at the peaks, and compounding our capital all the time. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.